Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben, and after the movements that we had in the last few days, it makes sense to take another look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I think these charts are looking very, very interesting at the moment because we could be close to an upside reversal. But let's take a look at that on the charts. Okay, so we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. We click on our cryptocurrency section. Before we do that, we have different asset classes we cover here on this website. So if you're interested in receiving daily free Elliott-Wave updates about stocks or different cryptocurrencies or other asset classes, feel free to register completely for free and you will receive those daily updates when you log into the website, and also you get email updates as well. So just click on the crypto section. We select Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's already selected. By the way, we already updated VeChain today, Polygon, Phantom, and yesterday, for example, HBAR, Avalanche, Chainlink, including Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's updated every single day. Now, I would say we start with Ethereum. We start with the daily time frame. Quick reminder, you can let me know in the comments which cryptocurrency or other asset you want me to cover, and we'll see if we can build these into the regular rotation. Also, if you like the content, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. So let's continue here on the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum chart shows pretty much an unchanged situation. So here, not too much has happened since the last update. We have seen this series of 1-2 setups before. In my last update, I talked about this quite bullish structure here on the ETH chart. The main support area, which was already touched, by the way, in April, it is defined between $1,813 to $2,807. And then from here, we expect a rally in a third wave. Now, it might be that we test this area again. We're going to take a look at the 8-hour chart in a minute. Key breakout point to the upside or resistance level can be found at 4,091 USD. And as we break above it, that would confirm the onset of the third wave rally to probably 5,000, 6,000 USD and above. It would be a move probably to new all-time highs once this third wave starts. But the movements from the bear market lows have been quite substantial, and that typically means that we have to deal with those long corrections. We see it at the moment. You see it on the chart. This wave 2 correction, it is just very, very painful at the moment. It tests our patience. But it's important to understand that, trading, investing is all about being patient. And let's take a look at the 8-hour chart. Well, here you can see that the wave 1 in green topped recently at 4,091 USD. That was the March high. Yep, it is possible in the alternative perspective with a 38% probability that the wave 2 already bottomed when it hit the 50% retracement at 2,807 USD. But in the preferred scenario, we will test the lower support area again. It's just that we haven't seen enough really to confirm that we've bottomed. It's not convincing yet. So from a risk management point of view, it makes sense to expect another low. And the levels are clear. Below 1,813, we might need to activate a more bearish scenario, a more bearish alternative. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart then. We'll start with a daily chart. Really, if you take a look at this chart, you can see, despite all the panic on crypto Twitter, Bitcoin hasn't really done much over the last couple of months or even 3 months. So since this third wave top was formed in March, the price has really only been ranging. Range-bound movement between the 73,808 level and our target area down here, or trading area, support area, which was, by the way, already triggered. It is defined between 58,655 and 47,012 USD. So once this wave 4 is over, we expect a surge in wave 5 of orange colored wave 3. Then we would get another wave 4 and a wave 5, $200,000 and above. After which, after this orange colored wave 5, we should see a more substantial correction, which means that also here, another low is likely. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour chart in a minute. But once we get a breakout above 73,808, it should be the move to 90,000, 100,000 and above. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Here on the 4-hour chart, you see it in a little bit more detail. Very similar to Ethereum, even though this here is a wave 4 and on the ETH chart, we're dealing with a wave 2. Ethereum is also a little bit more volatile, but in the current bull market has not been able to outperform Bitcoin yet. So that's still our outstanding. Yeah, we'll see. That usually happened in every bull market at some point, so it might still happen. You know, here the idea is that this is a wave 4 correction in contrast to wave 2, but also here the expectations are for the price to dip into the trading area again, and then from here reverse and start that larger fifth wave to the upside. Again, confirmation for a breakout would be a move above 73,462 with a probability of 32%, and that is the alternative scenario. We see already the potential that the fourth wave could be completed. If it's the case, it would be a complex WXY structure. These patterns are not as common as, let's say, traditional or standard ABC corrections, and therefore it would require a little bit more evidence. Yeah, I want to see a little bit more evidence to really believe that we've bottomed. It is definitely possible. That's what these trading areas are for, you know, these Fibonacci support areas. And yeah, Bitcoin has been respecting them really, really well. The altcoins are obviously a little bit more volatile, a bit more risky, less, or let's say more uncertainty on these altcoin charts, but Bitcoin is not really doing much, okay? And these multi-month so-called flat corrections or sideways corrections, they are just part of the crypto sector as well. Nothing unusual here at the moment. So that's the update about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell. And yeah, also let me know in the comments which asset or other cryptocurrency you want me to cover. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.